And as you guys know, motorcycle maintenance is really important. So just by doing an oil change, oil filter change, spark plug replacement, cleaning of air filter, it will not clear off the carbon deposits in the engine.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So far it's really end of 2025. Just with a blink of an eye, we're going to end the 2025. Recently I'm pretty busy, so I didn't manage to go for the Christmas ride with some of you guys. So by the time when you guys watch this video, it's really 2026 because I need some time to edit this video. So wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And right now my bike is pretty thirsty, so I'm going to fill up my tank. Right. So just before I'm gonna fill up my tank, I'll be pouring this fuel injector cleaner into my tank. So what is inside this fuel injector cleaner is the concentrated cleaner, which helps to dissolve the carbon deposits. Okay, I'm gonna pour maybe 1/3 of it. Okay, I think it's 1/3. Is it 1/3? Okay, maybe a bit more. Okay, alright. She's not dripping because I think this is very flammable and corrosive for the paintwork. It dropped onto my tank. Oh no! Oh no! Damn! Yeah, so this fuel injector cleaner is to dissolve the carbon deposits in the engine. Oh my god, my hand is messed up. Right, so right now I'm going to fill up my tank with the fuel injector cleaner. So it's best to pour the fuel injector cleaner into the tank before you fill up the tank, so that you have a well mix of the fuel injector cleaner and the fuel. Alright, I'm done. So the reason why I'm pouring 1/3 of the content into the tank is because one full bottle of the fuel injector cleaner are able to treat one full tank of fuel on a car. So as you guys know, motorcycle tank is pretty small. My tank is 7 liters and a car tank is about 50 to 70 liters. So it's about 1/3 the size of a car fuel tank. So this is why I'm pouring 1/3 of the content into the tank. So if I were to pour the whole bottle of content into the tank, that would be too much. So as I've mentioned earlier, what is inside the fuel injector bottle is the fuel additive. It's actually the concentrated cleaner, which helps to dissolve the carbon deposits, which helps to clean your engine, especially if your engine has a really high mileage or you haven't been using one for quite a while. Yeah, you should go and buy one of those and pour it in your engine to have a cleaner engine. Ooh. Yeah. In the past, I don't really trust this kind of fuel injector cleaner, and the reason why is because just with a small amount of fuel injector cleaner, does it going to help to clean off the carbon deposits in the engine? Until when I saw a video online, there's a guy who poured the fuel injector cleaner into the engine, and then after running the vehicle for a certain period, and then he used an endoscope to inspect the engine valves, the piston, and surprisingly the engine is really clean. So running the fuel injector cleaner on a bike is more like a preventive maintenance, which benefits you in the long run to help to clean up the carbon deposits in the engine. And as you guys know, motorcycle maintenance is really important. So just by doing an oil change, oil filter change, spark plug replacement, cleaning of air filter, it will not clear off the carbon deposits in the engine. So having the fuel injector cleaner, it helps to clear off the carbon deposits. So another way to clear off the carbon deposits in the engine is to perform the walnut blasting, or you can also overhaul your engine, but that's not very cost effective. And one bottle of the fuel injector cleaner only costs less than $10. I don't think it's good to use it frequently, but it's being recommended to use it on every oil change. So if you guys are running into misfiring issue or your engine is jerky, you can just use one of this fuel injector cleaner to unclog the fuel injector, because a clogged fuel injector might prevent fuel from spraying into your engine. If your engine couldn't get the right amount of fuel, you'll be experiencing jerkiness and also misfiring issue. And also this fuel injector cleaner is not going to increase your bike performance, it's not going to increase the horsepower or torque. It helps to restore the performance, yes, by cleaning up the carbon deposits and dirt in the engine. So after running an engine for a certain period, so after all these years, carbons will build up, you know, around the valves, around the piston head. So this will restrict the performance of your engine. So this is why you should use the fuel injector cleaner on the bike. So just now, after pouring the fuel injector cleaner into my tank, right now I don't feel there's any difference because the cleaning work is inside the engine. So this is why I can't feel there's any difference. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you ask me if this is going to work, I would say more or less yes, it's going to work. Actually, there's no harm trying it. Just $10 per bottle. So it's a long-term preventive maintenance for a bike. And also, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ride safe and bye!
I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as